Hello guys, I am back with my channel. So, I think this is my last channel because I am creating a new channel. If you're watching this and you might be asking, what is my next channel? And I'm just gonna put it in the description below. And I don't know what we will be doing, but let us see what we will do today. Well, I don't know what we will do, but I think I'm just gonna do a review, but I think I have made too many reviews, so we're gonna do something else. I think we're gonna just fly things. If we find something good, I don't know, but we will see. Can I do a jet? Let's do jet. How do we do? Let's try. Okay, let's end it. Let's move it. Good balls. I think I'll just find some spaceships. And when I find some spaceships or jets, I'm just gonna fly it. Space battles ship. I already have the mod on. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be here. Oh, what's this? I guess I was eating something. What's this? By the way, guys, you should search Metal Burger at the workshop. He's very good at building. He has all the builds. Super good builds. He builds spaceships and stuff. I think I'm gonna show it later, I think. Oh no, I'm lagging. There we go. Look at the details. Very nice. But it will be planned. Let's try it. Oh no, it's too complex. Sad. But let's find some more. I think I'm just gonna just let's try this. Wow, guys, this looks so cool. It looks like a bug from my bathroom. But it's so nice. Look at the wings. And look at the spikes. Still over. Wow, it's too complex too. I kind of want to try. Well, I can't put some blocks on it because it's the blocks are locked, so I can't put some stuff on it. Well, let's try other builds. How about I try Metal Burger? She makes good stuff. Max. I don't want to try Max. I already did Max. I'm gonna find. Just put the spoon down. Oh, guys, by the way, my first video got like 200 views. Thanks. Thanks for getting me to 100. Paper airplane. Wait, it's still loading. I think the one is locked. Wait, no, it's not locked. Boom! Oh, that's fast. What the? Let me fly it. Wow. This is fun. Very, very fun. Oh, shoot. Wait, no, no, no. It's so fast. Oh, no, 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 no. It's very hard turning because it's so fast. Oh. Oh no, I'm not landing that thing. By the way, this is the build that it was not the first video. It's called MBX969. It's very nice. Let's try it. It's made by Metal Burger, by the way. By the way, guys, you should try Metal Burger's builds. It's very good. It's very fun. Oh shoot! Well, guys, I'm not gonna take. I'm not gonna do this video long. I think I'm just gonna do it for 15 minutes. Yeah. What's this? I'm gonna try this. It's almost done. Is this for vehicles? I don't know what's this for. Yay! Oh, sorry for that. My chair creaking. Let's try this bed plane, I think. No, that's what let's try it. Oh, what the? I think I already tried this. I'll just try this. Wait, I already tried this in the last video. I haven't uploaded it, sorry. I was busy doing some stuff. And by the way, guys, you should subscribe to. Oh shoot! Oh wait, no. Yo! Oh no. By the way, guys, subscribe to that X Ghost X. He makes very good videos. By the way, he's my classmate at my old school. We're not classmates anymore because I changed schools. Rest in peace. By the way, his name is Miguel. Subscribe to him. his name is X Ghost X on YouTube. I watch his videos all day. He makes very good videos. Very high quality videos. Nice. Guys. Wait, what's this? Oh, wait. What? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. I thought this. Alright. Now I get it. Oh no, I crashed. Well, guys, I'm almost gonna end this. I think I'm gonna end it. By the way, thank you